Christina, and we are currently 11 weeks pregnant. Today we're going to start our series for prenatal training. It'll help strengthen your pelvic floor, your glutes, and your abs, just to get you ready for delivery. It's good to start in the second trimester when you have a little bit more energy and you're not nauseous. So all you need is a ballet ball, your mat, and let's get started.
Single bridge 80 deductions. In this exercise, you'll start in a bridge position, allowing your body to lift the heels up, 80 duck by squeezing the ball in between your legs and then letting your bum come down, but not all the way. Again, you're lifting your bum up, lifting your heels up, and then squeezing the ball in between your legs, and then allowing everything to come down, but not all the way. This exercise works to strengthen your pelvic core as well as your glutes and entire posterior chain. You'll commit the exercise for 5 sets, starting at 12, 10, 8, then back to 10 and 12. In this exercise, you'll be holding your bridge position and then squeezing the ball in between your legs for 1 Mississippi. Releasing and then squeezing again. This will be done for 12, 10, 8, 10, and 12 reps for 5 sets. The last exercise of our bridge series is to hold your bridge with heels up or heels down and then squeeze the ball between your legs for a total of 60 seconds, 45, 30 seconds, then back to 45, and then finally at 60 for a total of 5 reps. This works to strengthen your pelvic floor as well as those adductor muscles. The final exercise of this set is a hip opener, starting on hands and knees in a tabletop position and squeezing the ball between your hamstring and your calf. You'll then work the ball in a circle clockwise for 12, and then counterclockwise for 12, following with a set of 10, 8, back to 10, and then back to 12, working to open up the hips and strengthen the core.